Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on Pacific Avenue, 1 block from the beach. Gonna check out Caesars Hotel and Casino today. Haven't been in this place. Well, I've been in here, but I haven't recorded it in probably about 2 years. So let's go inside, see what's going on. Come along with me. Caesars here in Atlantic City's been around for quite a while, and we're gonna step inside to see what's new, what's still classic, and what's maybe in need of a little love. The place has been around for decades and I've stayed here more times than I can count, but it's been a while since we've done a proper walkthrough, so grab a cup of coffee, maybe a cocktail, and let's take a relaxing tour through the property, the casino, the hotel, the restaurants, and everything in between. Alrighty, let's head inside. As soon as you step in from the Pacific Avenue entrance, you've got Morton's Steakhouse on the right, a classic spot for big steaks and even bigger wine lists. Their happy hour called Power Hour is actually one of the better deals in town. The first thing you notice when walking into Caesars is that grand Roman feel. Pillars, marble, gold accents, the whole welcome to the empire vibe. They've spent millions over the past couple of years giving the place a major refresh, and it really shows in some areas and not so much in others. The old darker tones are gone, replaced by brighter lighting, warm marble, and a much more open check-in area. If you remember the way it looked, say, 5 years ago, you'll appreciate how much lighter and more inviting it feels now. Caesars opened here in 1979, which makes it one of the OG properties here in Atlantic City, along with Resorts Hotel and Casino. During the first few decades, it was the benchmark for that Vegas-style luxury on the East Coast, but with competition coming along such as the Hard Rock, Ocean, and Borgata, Caesars had to evolve, and well, some people say they did, others say it hasn't kept up. I guess it's just a matter of opinion. What's yours? Leave a comment below. I took the escalators up to the second level, which is where we are now. When we walked in, that was the lower level. We'll explore that a little bit more in this video later on. But before I came up to the second level, I stopped off at that Starbucks. Every casino needs one of those, and the one downstairs is bright and cozy and somehow always busy no matter what time of the day. Up on the second level here, they have Taza, which also sells coffee and pastries and sandwiches and pizzas. I grabbed my usual black coffee, perfect before you invest a few dollars in the slot machines. Up on the second level here, they have Taza, which also sells coffee and pastries and sandwiches and pizzas. Gordon Ramsay has 2 restaurants here at Caesars, the Pub and Grill and Hell's Kitchen. This is the Pub and Grill that we're by right now. It's relaxed, solid food, good drinks, and it also serves breakfasts. We'll visit Hell's Kitchen in a moment. The casino floor is split into 2 levels, lower and upper. It's not the biggest casino in town, but it's packed with a variety, from penny slots to high-limit rooms and plenty of table games in between. One of my favorite things here at Caesars is that it still keeps the classic casino energy, a little glamorous, a little nostalgic, all with that background hum of machines and excitement. If you're staying here, it's easy to forget that time exists. Caesars has mastered that, but I think pretty much every casino has as well. Hey guys, as always, if you're enjoying the videos here on the Nu Yawk channel, why not subscribe if you haven't done so already? It's super easy. Just click on that little Nu Yawk logo in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. It's free, lots of cool content. If you're enjoying this content in particular, give the video a thumbs up and share it on your social media. That gets the video more views and the channel new subscribers. Did you do it? Did you click on that thumbs up right now? Thanks so much, I really do appreciate that. And if you'd like to support the Nu Yawk channel, why not become a member? I'll leave a link right in the upper right hand corner here. You can click on it right now and become a member instantly. It's only $2.99 a month. You get lots of perks, including exclusive videos that only members can watch, and those members do seem to appreciate those videos. That including other perks, so make sure you become a member right now, and I appreciate your support, guys. And a shout out to Richard Santee, who left a super thanks on my latest Atlantic City video, the Hard Rock slot pull and a visit to the Resorts Boo Bar. I appreciate your continued support of the channel, Richard, who is also a member here on the channel. I really do appreciate all you do for the channel. Thanks so much. Where was I? Oh yeah, a tour. I quickly took an escalator upstairs. We're now on the 3rd level in this video. This is where the Caesars buffet used to be. Buffet's long gone since COVID. It's been replaced with slice pizza. I've had a pizza here, it was pretty good. I actually had 2 different types of slices. That video is available on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel if you'd like to check it out. The slices are solid, definitely better than you'd expect from a casino pizzeria, but the hours are limited, so if you're a late night snacker type, plan ahead or head next door to Bally's. And here we have Nobu, the Japanese fine dining powerhouse. The place is gorgeous, soft lighting, minimalist design, and yes, prices that remind you you're in a casino. But again, my age-old tip for you guys is if you want to check out a very expensive restaurant but don't want to put a second mortgage on your house, stop in during happy hour. You get to see the place, you have a cocktail, maybe some small bites, and it won't cost you a fortune. And then there's Hell's Kitchen, as I mentioned earlier in the video. It's pure theater, red flames, signature dishes, and a video poker bar for good measure. Honestly, if Gordon Ramsay opens one more restaurant in a Caesars property, they're gonna have to rename their properties Caesars by Gordon. This pedestrian bridge walkway leads to what used to be the old playground. It's now ACX1 Studios. It's like a movie studio, a recording studio for podcasts and music and things like that. It's also a great venue for weddings and corporate events as well. We're now back down on the lower level, and this is Kwai Asian food. Right next door is the Asian gaming room filled with baccarat and pai gow and other table games. Even if you don't know how to play, it's worth peeking in. The atmosphere is calm, classy, and very different from the main floor. See what I did there? Peeking. Asian. We just walked by the Centurion Tower elevator lobby. It's my personal favorite tower here. There's several towers here at Caesars. The Centurion is modern, comfortable, and a quick elevator ride to the casino and the Boardwalk. The other towers are a little further away from the Boardwalk. The new Nobu rooms take it up a notch. Sleek lines, warm woods, high-end bedding, luxury without leaving the property. As with all the other properties in town, I'll be doing updated room tours as we head into the winter season, so stay tuned for those. Hold on tight! There's a long corridor connecting the west back to the main Caesars floor. For years it's been almost unused, a bit of a ghost hallway. Rumor has it Caesars has plans to activate this area with new entertainment or retail. Whatever they do, it's a prime location that deserves some love. If I can confirm those rumors, you guys will be the first to know. I recently saw the latest version of The Hook, which is a Spiegelworld's production here in Atlantic City. If you'd like to check that video out, it's right here on the Nu Yawk channel. Now this area, the west, is technically part of Caesars, but it feels like it's its own world. Think country themed meets a sports book with live entertainment. When the band's playing or a DJ's on deck, the place absolutely rocks. Other times you can practically hear your own footsteps echo. Either way, it's got charm. I love this sports book, and it's on my list of places to hit when I do my annual Super Bowl video here in Atlantic City along the Boardwalk. Also right here is easy access to Bally's Hotel and Casino without even stepping outside. Hey guys, if you want entertainment with a wild twist, The Hook is a must-see. It's produced by Spiegelworld, the same creative team behind Absinthe in Las Vegas. It's got acrobatics, comedy, music, and a dash of "did they really do that?" Definitely not your grandmother's variety show. And attached to it is Super Frico, an over-the-top Italian restaurant that's part dinner, part art installation. The food is good and the vibe is unforgettable. If you want to do one show and dinner combination in Atlantic City, this is a solid pick. Back outside here on the boardwalk, there's a peaceful, breezy, and beautiful feeling this afternoon. This entrance leads right into the Hook, which, a fun fact, used to be the historic Warner Theater. I love the fact that Caesars preserved the character while giving this place a new life. The boardwalk can feel quiet during the off-season, but that's when the real Atlantic City locals enjoy it. And speaking about the off-season, make sure you check out my brand new channel, Jersey Shore Jeff. It's all about the Jersey Shore right now off-season, from Sandy Hook down to Cape May. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of holiday videos coming up also right here on the Nu Yawk channel, as well as Jersey Shore Jeff. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up, share it on your social media, and become a member of the Nu Yawk channel. Thanks for watching, guys.